Folks, we are talking about a once in a generation type weather event that's going to be happening this weekend across the Tampa Bay area and all of Florida for that matter. Not only the coldest air in 16 years for a lot of us, but also the probability of Gulf effect snow flurries in and around the Tampa Bay area. I'm Chief Meteorologist and Climate Specialist Jeff Baradelli, also known as the Weather Professor. So let's dig in and show you what we have. A bomb cyclone, bombogenesis, is going to be happening along the southeast coast as the polar vortex, a piece of it, breaks off and interacts with the Gulf Stream. As a result of that, it really starts to get going. It's going to spin down frigid air on Saturday into Sunday morning. So flurry frenzy 2026. I even have my snow tie. I'm going to be wearing this up until the point that we actually see snowflakes. And we've upped our game. Chance a couple of days ago was a 3, then it was a 5, then it was a 7, and now it is an 8. Why is it an 8? Because our high-resolution computer models are starting to show snow. And as early as Saturday afternoon, snowflakes may fly across the Nature Coast, kind of mixed in with the rain. But the real event starts in the middle of the night as we start to get that flow off the Gulf picking up moisture. We call this lake effect or Gulf effect. We don't see it very often, and we almost never see snow from it, but it looks like we will see it in the middle of the night, Saturday night into Sunday morning. Best chance would be close to the coast, and the model even says there could be a coating, maybe just a dusting, something like that, which would be honestly the first time since 1977 that we've seen something like that in the Bay Area if we see it. So let's talk about how Gulf effect happens. Frigid air over warm water. Now, there's a specification for it. Gulf temperature has to be at least 25 degrees warmer than the mid-level temperature. We're going to have about a 45-degree temperature change that causes instability and those clouds to bubble up. And these streamers, these bands of snow or clouds to come off the Gulf. So we could very well see flurries or snow showers between around 9 p.m. mostly on Saturday night into 9 a.m. on Sunday. By the way, on Saturday, the winds are going to be howling. Peak wind gusts up to 56 in St. Pete, 50 in Englewood, 43 Lakeland. Look at Orlando at 43. So the winds are going to be howling. And when you wake up on Sunday morning, where you see the magenta, those are sub-freezing temperatures. Look at some of those wind chills. Crystal River 10, Dade City 11, Lakeland 14. And remember, we're going to see a hard freeze. So if you have sensitive plants, it'd be a good idea to make sure you're prepared for this. If you want to send us pictures of any of the weather that you see, you can send it right there, WFLA.com/reported.